and welcome to 5 Minute Tech Talks. This is a tutorial series on getting started with Arduino. In this series, I'll be demonstrating to you guys on how to write codes, interface different sensors, connect Bluetooth devices, and control things using Arduino. This is the first video on Arduino tutorial series. In this video, we'll see what is Arduino, why Arduino, and how to get started. What is Arduino? Arduino is an open source electronics platform based on easy to use hardware and software. Arduino boards are able to read inputs, for example, light on a sensor, a finger on a button, or a Twitter message, and turn it into an output. The output can be activating a motor, turning on an LED, or publishing something online. Basically, you can just tell your board what to do by sending a set of instructions to the microcontroller. And to do so, you need to use the Arduino programming language and the Arduino software IDE based on processing. All the Arduino boards are completely open source, whereas the software too is also open source, empowering users to build them independently. Why Arduino? Well, thanks to its simple and accessible user experience, Arduino has been used in thousands of different projects and applications. It runs on Mac, Windows, and Linux operating systems. Arduino also simplifies the process of working with microcontrollers. It offers many advantages for the teachers and the students community. It is inexpensive, it is machine independent, that is cross-platform. It has a simple and clear programming environment. It is open source and extensible software and open source and extensible hardware. There are different versions of Arduino boards: Arduino Uno, LilyPad Arduino, Arduino Nano, Arduino Mega, and Arduino Pro Mini are some of them. In this tutorial, we'll be using Arduino Uno. Anyways, you can also work with a Nano or a Mega. To begin, we need to download and install the Arduino IDE on our systems. Today, we'll start by downloading the IDE for your respective operating systems. So, let's get going. So, let's download Arduino on our systems. Go to Google, type Arduino, click on Arduino Home. This will take you to the Arduino home page. Go to Softwares, click Downloads. This is the download page for Arduino. There are different versions of it: Linux, Mac, and Windows. We'll do the installing for Windows system. Scroll down, click on Just Download, and wait for the download to complete. Once you download the IDE, double click on it, say yes. It will show you some agreements that you need to agree. So click on I agree. Make sure all the boxes are ticked. Click next. The destination folder where you want to install all your folders. It will start extracting the files. It will take some time. Once the extraction is completed, click on close. Go to your desktop. Here you can see an icon of Arduino. Click on it. For the first time, it will take some time to open. Here it is, the Arduino programming environment. Here it is where you will start writing your code. In the next video, we'll get familiar with the Arduino pins and start by writing a simple code. Please subscribe and turn on notifications for the channel.